A lot of recipes call for room temperature butter, especially when baking. If you didn't have a chance to get your butter to room temperature, don't fret. Here are 5 easy ways to soften butter. Run your knife through the stick of butter, and you have 2 rectangles. Stack them on top of each other, and then run your knife through again, and you have 4 pieces. So then turn the butter and cut with your knife perpendicular, so that the butter falls into cubes. When you have cubed butter, it's going to soften fairly quickly. Put your cold stick of butter on a piece of parchment, or you can use wax paper. Top it with another piece of paper, and with a rolling pin you can roll it or whack it flat. The friction and the greater surface area will allow the butter to soften quickly. Get a box grater and then wrap the paper around half of the stick of butter, and that will keep your hand clean as you're grating it. So go ahead and grate the cold butter on the largest holes of the box grater. And it looks like it's mozzarella cheese. See that? And the principle here is the same, that small pieces of butter are going to soften quickly. This is ready to go in your recipe. First, start by cutting the cold butter into rough chunks. I'm using a bench scraper to do this task. It's easy to transfer the butter over into the bowl of a stand mixer. And put the paddle in there. Now make sure you lock the stand mixer and start on low speed and gradually increase the speed as the butter softens. You'll need to increase the mixing time of your recipe to allow for the butter to warm and soften for the aeration of the creaming process to take place. Be careful with this because it can get out of hand. So put the cold butter into the microwave and set it for just 4 seconds. Now rotate the butter and repeat 3 more times. There you go, perfectly softened butter ready for your recipe.